Pulsed laser cleaning machines can remove rust, paint, oil stains, and even dust. Today, we'll use a 300-watt pulsed laser cleaning machine to clean this dirty wall and see how well it works. This pulse cleaning machine can be used to clean old buildings, removing oxides and contaminants, achieving wall renovation. Many customers have purchased this pulsed laser cleaning machine for house renovations and cleaning.